Yelo, honest farm equipment that simply works. Yelo SlugMaster provides practical, reliable and accurate low-cost spreading of bait, pellets and fine products to help control slugs and other pests that hinder grass growth. Simply mount it onto the flat deck of your side-by-side or ute to get started, or choose the optional Quicksmart Attachment System for a faster, sturdy setup when used regularly on an ATV or quad bike. Designed for everyday farm use, SlugMaster combines lightweight handling and durable construction, so you can move confidently across paddocks. Simple controls ensure fast, precise and even application, helping reduce waste while maintaining effective coverage where it matters most. Key features and benefits include a unique 3-vane stainless spinner disc delivering an extra wide spread pattern of up to 24 metres. Electric open and shut stainless shutter system providing consistent spreading rates from 2.5 to 20 kilograms per hectare. Remote control on and off switches controlling both the spinner and hopper shutter system from the driver's position. Powder coated steel frame designed for durability and long service life. The 75-litre polyhopper with snap-shut lid helps minimise refill time, keeping you moving through busy workdays. Built for pest control and specialised spreading jobs, Yelo SlugMaster delivers dependable performance when conditions demand accuracy. Yelo, honest farm equipment that simply works. To find out more about Yelo SlugMaster, visit our website and find your nearest store.